My husband Mitusin, and today I will explain my villa management system database using SQL. We will go through Marina VillaDB, starting from database creation, inserting data, and then performing update and delete operation. So first, we initialize the database by creating Marina VillaDB. We use command create database if not exist to ensure that the database is only created if it doesn't already exist. Then we select it using use Marina VillaDB to make it our active database. Okay, next is the system administrator may reset the database at the beginning of new semester. We use drop table if exists for all table included payment, reservation, staff, customer, administrator, villa, type, which is normal villa and private villa, and then report and user. This ensure we start afresh without any old data interfering with the new semester. So now we create the tables. First, the user table act as a super type for all user. It store user ID, username, contact number, email, and role. Next, table for customer, which is reference the user table and store identification number. And then we have villa. Villa, we have normal villa and private villa, which extend the villa with specific attribute like share facilities and privacy level. So we have in villa, we have villa ID, capacity, price per night, and availability status. So next is the normal villa. We have villa ID and share facility, which is the new, and then the foreign key for reference in villa ID. And also same for private villa. Okay, next is staff. Staff reference user and villa and store their role in it. This one. And it reference user ID and villa ID. So next is administrator. Administrator reference user ID and store the admin level. So next is reservation. Reservation links customer and villa and record check-in, check-out, date, and the status for reservation. Okay, next is payment. Payment, we have record payment linked to the reservation, which is this one. And the last one is report. Report store all generated reports with type, title, date, and period. So now we have in the user table, we insert 8 customers. We have 6 staff and 1 admin. So in customer, we link each customer to their identification number. And in villa, we insert 8 villa with their capacity per night. And availability status, this one. And then in normal villa and private villa, we assign their specific attribute, which is this one, their facility. And then the staff one is assigned to a villa with a role, which is the manager, front desk, housekeeper, maintenance, accountant. And then administrator is assigned a super admin level. Next is the reservation. Reservation table records 6 reservation with different status, which is confirm or pending or cancel. And then the payment. The payment records the details for each reservation and have a status which is paid, pending, or unpaid. And last one is the report. Report table store for example reports such as customer report, available villas, reservation details, and unpaid payments. So next, the admin can view all data in the system. Using simple select all queries, we can see all user, customer, villa, reservation, and payment. For update data, first we show the payment record before the update, this one before the update, and then we run an update statement to change the status to paid from unpaid. Finally, we show the payment record after the update to confirm the change. And next one is deleting the data. First, we show the reservation and its related payment before deletion. And then we delete the payment first, followed by the reservation itself. And then after, finally, we confirm that the reservation is no longer exists. So finally, if the system is achieved and the database is no longer needed, we can drop all the tables or the entire database, and this remove all data permanently and is used for cleanup and archiving process. So now I will demonstrate how to view the data stored in our Marina VillaDB. We will run select queries on each table to see the current records. So the first one, I will use the CMD to run the DBL system. So the first one is select all from user, this one. So it show all the user, which is include customer, staff, and administrator. We can see their user ID, username, contact number, email, and their role in it. So next one is select all from customer. So we view the customer table here. Each customer is linked to the user ID. from their user table and their identification number is stored. So now we will check all villa. Select from villa. So each villa show its villa ID, capacity, price per night, and availability status. Notice we use available or not available to make it easy to understand instead of we using the boolean 1 or 0. So next is select all from normal villa. So in here, we can see the share facilities associated with each villa of normal villa. And we want to try for private villa. Is that we can view the privacy level and their exclusive facility like a private pool, private garden, balcony, and butler. So next we want to see for staff. So in here, we view the staff record. Each staff member is linked to a villa and has a specific role such as manager or housekeeper. So next is administrator. So here we check administrator. Each admin has a user ID and admin level, for example, is super admin. So we want to try for reservation now. Select from reservation. So we will view all the reservation. Each reservation show check-in and check-out dates, status, and which customer book which villa, because we have customer ID and villa ID here. So then we want to see from payment, select all from payment. So we can see the payment ID linked with reservation ID, and then we have payment date, amount, and status, which is paid, pending, or unpaid. So if we want to see the report, so we select all from report. So finally, we can view the system report. Each report includes the report type, report title, date, and the period. So now we want to try from update the data, which is the customer completes payment, the status update. So the before, so for it, select all from payment where payment ID equal to P002. So the status is pending, right? And then we update the system. We use this one to set the payment status paid on payment ID P002. So now we select from payment, which is the first one is pending, and then the after is being paid because we already update the system. And then we have a delete data, which is admin remove cancel reservation. So we select all from reservation where reservation ID equal to R006. Oh, sorry. So from here, we see that the reservation status is cancelled. And then if we want to update the system, we delete from payment where reservation ID R006, which is because it already cancelled. So we then save and then we run again. And then we put the same command, which is this one. So it show empty set because we already deleted it from the database. So this concludes the data viewing demonstration. As you can see, select queries allow administrator to check or record in the system, making it easier to manage customer, villa, staff, reservation, and payment. Thank you.